sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 13th of June. I'm James Spann. Here we go. The hottest week so far this year. Highs will likely be in the mid-90s on both days, and cooling afternoon storms will likely be few and far between. Here we go. As you might expect, there is a strong upper high, an upper ridge on top of us. That means sinking air subsidence that will deflect the major rain producers well to the north of here. We are starting off this day in the 70s in most spots. Birmingham at 79. Again, highs today, mid-90s in most locations. So there's a heat advisory in effect for about the western two-thirds of the state today, the counties in orange. But understand, if you're in Anniston with no heat advisory or Birmingham with a heat advisory, there's not going to be much difference at all. Everybody's going to be hot today. And we note there is an excessive heat warning around Memphis. And again, this is mainly for the high heat index values today because of the humidity. And around the nation, heat is the headline, all the way from the Gulf Coast up to parts of the western Great Lakes. Up in the northwest, flash flood watches in effect for some of the states there. Here's the severe weather outlook today. On top of the ridge, a chance of severe storms for places like Chicago, Detroit, Columbus, Ohio, and also for parts of the Dakotas. Tomorrow, we have risks of severe weather east and north of here. And day 3, this is Wednesday. Got a risk of severe storms over parts of Iowa, Wisconsin, Michigan. Also a marginal risk northeast of Alabama. And understand, every day we could see a pop-up storm, but again, the big rains will be north of here. And day 4, which is Thursday, a risk of severe storms from around Cincinnati up into parts of western New York. So this is the rain for the next 7 days. And again, the major rain systems will be north of here, but with the random pop-up afternoon storms, some folks could see some rain. The better opportunities probably for the southern half of the state. But again, drawing these maps, pretty tough this time of the year. So a peek of the tropics, things are quiet now. But we note in the day 5 outlook, the 5-day outlook, the Hurricane Center has a little 20% ring over the western Caribbean. And if anything can form there, most likely this will come out into the Bay of Campeche and then move into Mexico south of Texas. Now, we see no issues for the Gulf Coast anytime soon. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. We said 594 ring around the Mid-South. And, of course, it's going to be blazing hot today and mostly dry. And that'll be the story every day this week. This is tomorrow and Wednesday. And understand, there could be a pop-up shower or storm, but probably not many. Same thing Thursday. This is Friday. Wish I could show you something different, but it's just not going to change a lot. Saturday as the weekend begins, looking sunny and hot. The thickness value is actually down a smidgen. Heat levels might drop a little bit Saturday, but probably not much. Sunday, we're still hot and dry. And a week from today, Monday, the 20th of June, we still got that 594 ring on top of us. And once again, hot, mostly dry. Let's go out 10 days to see if the pattern breaks. Not really. This is June 22nd. Got the upper ridge right on top of us all across the southern states. And again, hot, mostly dry. So really for the next 10 days, things just won't change that much. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean a little over 1 inch between now and the 28th of June. Some of the members are way up at 8 inches, but those are outliers. Temperatures, there's the heat parade. And again, the NBM has been running a little too hot. You might want to shave about 3 degrees off those numbers. But one way or the other, you get the idea. Here's the latest 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for June 20th through June 26th. Again, the ridge holds, temperatures above average, and rain below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.